Good morning. Welcome back to Lead Farms, which is located in Nebraska. It's been a fast January so far. It's like January 10th. Had a wonderful Christmas, wonderful New Year's. Have been doing lots of traveling so far in January. So there's not a whole lot going on at the farm, but we're very busy with lots of things. Now I can finally get back to doing one of my favorite things and filming a video. I got something super secret. It's not really a secret anymore. Awesome. I'll give you a hint. It has to do with a John Deere 9520 tractor. The team at Strobel Manufacturing has built an awesome monstrosity. Can you guys even believe we have one of the world's largest box scraper here to test and demo? This was set. It's actually already been tested in the soil for building and maintaining roads, building pads, and a number of other things. They have these two sheep foots, chevron engineered, university engineered pattern sheep foots that are self-cleaning to pack. You can fill both of these with water. We have not done that knowing that winter is setting in, but they can be hooked up and mounted behind this box scraper, which actually is collapsible. These two tire sets can fold all the way up. You can unpin the tongue with one pin and collapse it on itself, put it on a trailer, and haul it wherever you want. 20 feet wide. I need to do the math of how many yards it can carry. And today we're going to move snow by essentially making two passes in the farmyard and having all the snow cleared. I believe they got the wonderful, super strong jacks, but I believe I can just unhook it by pulling this pin, lifting that up, and then as I raise the box scraper, it should leave these two lovely ladies behind, and then I can just drive the box scraper. 9520. We don't get a whole lot of four-wheel drive tractors on this farm. Yes, I do believe we need one or two. Not sure what for, but maybe just disking.
No, 0.5.
Excuse me, happy Sunday afternoon back to the channel. Out here checking cows. You know how I do. They look pretty good. With the 5-ton truck, I do believe I'm possibly stuck. Have my boys here to help out. Now I have a number of tractors, all shapes and sizes that I could use, but since I have the 9520 articulating 4-wheel drive tractor with the gigantic, enormous 20-foot box scraper, Strobel box scraper on, I figured I might as well bring this out here because this will be plenty of tractor to do what we need. And actually I could probably clear some snow. All right, we have extra audience to help us out. What are the chances that Honda gets stuck? Anyway, I can clear snow with this and probably pull the 5-ton truck out. I will try to get it unstuck just one more time, kind of rocking and rolling, and then we will use this beast of a tractor. I think if it can just hang on right there, I'll lower it down and see what it's got. We'll see if this works. Strobel box scraper can do recovery rescue. That worked really well. What did you think?
Just a little bit of persuasion.
Okay.
The thing did not short
Very good. Nice to know. We'll maybe re-engineer this. So normally what we do is pull this pin right here, and then this will lock down. That's maybe what we could have done, but we'll get it next time. Now we know this works. Do you want to drive 5 tons?
I do, yeah.
I'll drive this one. All right, are you going to try to get out?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.